how you doing? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are safe, healthy and happy and staying at home, following the rules and guidelines of the government, rules and regulations of the government. Today is day 6th. Today is second last day of this live session. I would urge and request every single person out there whosoever can help us with generating donations and funds for COVID-19 victims, and in whichever way we can help people, so kindly help us with the donations. The details of the donation will be given in the caption above, so kindly help us with the donations and help us with generating the donations. And also one more important thing, guys, if you want to book an session with me, how to be motivational during this lockdown, how to prevent COVID-19, how to be inspirational, how to take preventive measures, while facing depression, how to avoid anxiety issues and everything. If you want to if you want to book one-on-one on reading with me, then you can enroll for our workshop, 1 month workshop. One is of 1 month, which will include daily sessions, and the other one will include only 3 sessions per week. So, and that workshop is particularly for 1 month. So if you wish to if you wish to enroll for our workshop, you can, because I'll be giving live sessions for all the workshops. It will be via Skype, WhatsApp or Zoom. Okay, so yes guys, if you want to enroll, you can see the details above in the caption above, and you can, or else you can message me on this Facebook page, Vasol Counseling. Okay, so today is day 6, second last day of this live session. Whatever funds we are generating, guys, it is going directly to PM Cares Fund every single day, and every single day the sessions will be going to PM Cares Fund. And yes, today is day 6, so I'll be talking something really important and interesting. Today's topic is what are the measures you can take for COVID-19 while sitting at home during this lockdown. Okay, also one more thing, I'll be taking this session on half, like the first part I'll be covering it today, and the second part of the activities I'll be covering it tomorrow, because tomorrow is the last day, and tomorrow is also the day for live question and answers. Whatever, if you want to ask question and any questions, I'll be able to answer it tomorrow in the live session. If there is any question during the lockdown, how we should be prepared, or else, for example, you can also ask that what are the things you should keep it in mind while if you are feeling lonely at home, and if you are having anxiety issues, if you are having depression issues at home, so how you should avoid those things. So you can ask any questions if you want tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. because tomorrow is the last day for this live session, guys. Okay, I hope you will like it. Okay, so yes, the measures, the crucial measures you need to take for COVID-19, I think that almost every one of us know about it. Okay, because there is also, as we know, that Prime Minister Modi has extended this lockdown till 3rd of May. So there's also one app which he introduced. The name of the app is Arogya Setu, right? Every one of us know it. So I actually downloaded it and saw that what are the measures we need to take. And that app is all about if you are also suffering, if the people around you are suffering with some COVID-19 symptoms or something like that, you will get an alert on the mobile. That is also one of the features I got to know about it, because I also researched about it. Okay, so okay, let's talk about it. Most of us knows the measures how to prevent COVID-19 while reaching from reaching us, but then also I have to take this session. That's why I want to talk about this topic, which is really important. But before that, you can check out my other live sessions also, guys. Whosoever is watching me live, check out my other live session. It is talking about depression, killing boredom, how to be creative at home, avoiding anxiety issues at home. So all those live sessions are already posted over there in my page, Vasol Counseling. You can check on the page. Okay, so yes, let's talk about it. So today's topic is how to stay physically as well as mentally fit during this lockdown. Okay, so there are some tips and tricks I'll be sharing it with you. I hope you like it, and also kindly comment down below if you want to share something from your part also. Okay, so the first one is to have a healthy diet. Whatever we are eating nowadays, we are sitting at home, you need to understand that you have to eat healthy, fruits, vegetables, daily salads, eat proper food. Okay, like in India what we say, dal chawal roti sabzi. So eat proper meal if you can. Okay, so yeah, those people who are Indians, I would suggest you guys eat proper meal, proper salad, fruits, vegetables, every single, at least in a once in a day. Okay, or else twice a day is okay, beneficial. Also you can have juices like juices of beetroot or whatever fruits if you are having at home, the available ingredients for the juice, if you want you can have it. So eat healthy. Second one is sleep sound. Okay, so you need to understand that you need to have a proper sleep. You are getting this kind of time, like I feel that most of the masculines are really getting time, and they can take time to sleep properly, have a proper meal, can have a proper meal, or else they can also have a proper sleep. Proper sleep is really mandatory because it will help us in reducing the burden of your head, reducing the burden of your brain. Okay, so proper sleep is really important, and also it helps us in helping us to work, to be enthusiastic in life. If, like for example, if you are completing your sleep, if you are properly awake after the sleep, once your sleep is completed, that means that you are ready to work. You are very enthusiastic in working, with full power in yourself. Okay, for whatever work you'll do, you'll give your 100%. So I feel proper sleep and sound sleep is really important. The third one is working out. There are a lot of things, like I have seen one video of that one cricketer is there, I don't know, Mr. Dhawan, I guess. Yeah, so I saw his video. Okay, and what he did is that we don't really have available equipments, okay, to do exercise. Okay, so he took the what we can say, that brush, the long brush which is used to clean the floor. Okay, so that brush he he helped he used a rubber band, like a tight rubber, he took, and he made a kind of equipment for doing a kind of, I'm really bad in health equipments and all, but I'm suggesting you to do it, because you can make any creative equipment for yourself, with whatever things available at your home. So you can do it by yourself. And I liked his video. I saw it in the news, and what he did is that he made an equipment of the gym, and he was doing it, he was practicing it in the balcony, which was really good. I feel that it helps us to be more creative, and how efficiently we can use the required materials at our home, and how we can stay fit and healthy even if we are not going to gym on daily basis right now. So you can be fit while sitting at home. Okay, just use your brain and make some kind of creative equipment, in whichever way you can use it, as a gym equipment, it will be helping you out. Okay, so yes, the third point is that you can also take a skipping rope and start skipping. We all have a skipping rope, okay, at home. So you can start skipping rope. You can start practicing skipping rope at your home. Okay, so the next point is jumping jacks, sit-ups, push-ups, and these are the activities which you can do at home, that you can go for jumping jacks, sit-ups, push-ups, and also you can go for to do daily exercise while walking up and down the stairs, 5 to 6 times in a day, 7 to 8 times, 10 to 12 times, make it a habit early morning, that you are just waking up and walking up and down over the stairs in your home. So it will be helping you in a physical activities in some way or the other way. Okay. The next one is running at one place also can be helpful to you. Set a goal to achieve your target number of steps. Like, if you want to, there is an app which has been used in the mobile, how much, how much running you do in a day, every single day. So install that activity and just start running at home only if you want. So that is also one important healthy activity which you can do at home during this COVID-19 thing. Okay. Now, the next is that there are a lot of asanas which I told you in my first session. If you didn't got that session, there is my first session. It has been uploaded over there on my timeline, Vasool Counseling, on this page only. You can go through my first session. There are different kind of asanas I talked about. It was also a live session, so different asanas were there, and also 5 important asanas which I asked you to do it at home. So you can go through it, and you can go for this yoga thing, which is really important, because everyone should go for yoga, because it will help us to be mentally fit, and it will help us to reduce the mental burden. If you are feeling lonely, if you are stuck up with something, if you are feeling depressed, if you don't know, if you are really bored and you don't know how to do it, how to kill this boredom, this will really help you out. Okay. There are a lot of asanas which I already uploaded, so kindly check those out in my live session, in one of the live sessions. There are just, today's 6 sessions. So in the second or third session, I have already uploaded that video, so just check it out. Okay. So the next point is cleaning. During this outbreak of COVID-19, it's important that we keep everything home, clean. Like, cleaning is also one of the kind of exercises which we are actually doing. At least I am doing at my home. I don't know about you guys. Comment down below how many of you guys are, helping your parents with the cleaning stuff at home. So kindly do it. And this is also a kind of exercise which you get to do it a lot nowadays. So I am actually doing it. I am actually contributing in it. So you guys can also do it. Okay. The next is okay. So the next is gardening. Getting fresh air in the huge part is successful workout. So I feel that if you don't have any garden, go for go to terrace and take some fresh air, roam every single day on your terrace, and try to spend some quality time over there alone, because this really help you to analyze yourself, like what are you doing and what is happening in the world, like how everyone is facing. Just that in the evening every single day you should go to terrace, and you should just take out time for yourself and understand what is going around you, and what are the things you are observing around you every single day. Okay. The second one is dancing. Everyone likes Zumba. Like whosoever is likes Zumba, I like it, so that's why I do it. Whatever kind of dance you like it, you do it on your own way. This really helps you to relax your body, and it helps you to relax your mind. It gives you happiness while doing some kind of dance. I feel it's not particularly that you should know some certain kind of steps and everything. It is not about that. It is about how you feel happy inside yourself, and how someone, like when I dance, I am really happy. I feel Zumba is the best thing for me. I don't know what you guys prefer, but try doing dance at home. Take out loud music, and not that much loud also, just a medium loud is okay. And dance on daily basis, at least 20 minutes is enough. 20 to 30 minutes on Bollywood dance is also good. This helps us and in relaxing your mind and body. Okay. The next is there are a lot of tips and techniques which I can give you, but most of the tips and techniques are very much normal when it comes to nowadays, because in TV also, in social media, in media platforms, all the media platforms are sharing all the important techniques and measures of facing COVID-19 at home. So this was the topic for today, that how you can be how you can be how wait how you can be more aware of those things, and also what are the measures you are taking to stay fit while during this pandemic. And yes, if you have any questions, guys, ask me. Also, one more thing, I urge every single person out there, whosoever is live, if you can donate anything, and in some way or the other, please donate, because and the donation link will be given in the caption above. Why you should donate? Because we are this is a Vasol initiation, that is like Vasol counseling and Vasol tarot prediction. Both of my channels are working hard, my team is working hard in generating funds for through our live sessions, and whatever funds we'll be generating every single day, we are transferring that particular amount every single day by evening to PM Cares funds, okay, every single day. So I am requesting you guys, please help us with the donations and everything, okay. So yes, guys, and if you have any questions, kindly ask me, if it is regarding the lockdown, okay. Stupid questions I am not going to answer, okay. Thank you.